Hello everyone. Welcome back to PS iPhone Unlock channel. Today let's talk about the Turbo SIM. Turbo SIM card, also known as Network Unlock Chip, is considered to be the forerunner of a large family of dual SIM devices. Turbo SIM unlocks the carrier of iPhone. This Turbo SIM can be provided by PS Unlockers. It is also called as PS Unlockers Super SIM. How to use Turbo SIM in iPhones. As shown in the video, we must insert Turbo SIM along with our network SIM. Once you insert the SIM, we need to follow few steps. After that you'll get cellular network. We cannot change SIM-D and do not update reset software. The legal status of using a Turbo SIM or an unlock chip is affected by laws regarding circumvention of digital locks, such as laws protecting digital rights management (DRM) mechanisms. However, many countries do not have such laws, and some countries have laws including exceptions for the use of Turbo SIM. You can get Turbo SIM from PS iPhone Unlock. Call or message to +91 9848376037. PS iPhone Unlock can deliver all over India. Thank you.